I don't know.
They were so dry.
There's two in there where I was like, look at these companies. There was one like that 44, that base 44.
Okay.
Who was that about building apps at work? And then there's another one like, there's no way you're gonna be open AI.
But we're gonna build an app this week with Claude Code. Everybody's gonna work on the same team. We're trying to crank something out this week. And so that's what this meeting is. So we're gonna basically just put everything to the side, and then we're gonna build a new platform starting in like 45 minutes. So right now we're just gonna start talking about like who's gonna do what. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay.
So we need Dave here first. It's like, okay, so like we're trying to decide where to put it, what to call it, right? So what to call it, I guess we should say attached to SBI Grower, I would assume.
Oh yeah, SBI Grower's not bad. Yeah.
Okay, so so what it's gonna be is like, you can just point this whole site to our customers, like they want to start using our predictions and the AI server, that's where they're gonna go. This is how they're gonna pay us. So it's like part of our company, but on the side.
Okay.
Alright.
So we'll still need a name for this, like, you know, what's the subdomain of SBI Grower?
Entry level app, the Grower app? Yeah. Yeah, that's a good question.
I always think that's gonna be on Mike.
Okay.
What's the first thing we're building exactly?
Okay, I'll get through it, just give me a few minutes.
Okay.
Okay. And then like you're just gonna build a server for us, or we can
Yeah.
upload it? Okay.
Yeah.
Couple things are, we're gonna use PostgreSQL. Everybody down with that?
Yes.
Okay.
I already used it over the weekend, yes.
I'll have to.
But then I couldn't get it
But,
free
Yeah, not a problem.
online, so then they just made me use SQL.
Got any sites you ever use Postgres?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
It's just a lot of money.
Okay. Okay, so
So
what do you?
you might want like later the most aggressive version, but you start entry level.
My research is saying that it seems like it's a lot better than MySQL.
Yeah, it's
Right?
awesome.
I prefer it better.
Well, yeah, it's more industrial.
And we can run it on Linux.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's the.
Like it has
Fuck Microsoft.
all like the
Sick of
variables
Microsoft.
and stuff.
We're also gonna use WorkOS, download that? Okay, WorkOS.
Yeah.
That's our authentication platform,
Yeah.
as you call it. So like all the logins and the
Mhm.
permissions and all that shit.
Yeah.
That's off the shelf now. We don't fuck with that at all.
We're gonna fuck with it a little bit, but.
But it's like kind of an out of the box, so right? Like
Yeah.
that's thank God.
Alright, credit card processing, I mean, this is gonna be up to Charles, but like, should we just use Stripe to begin, or are we gonna try to implement Fortis and Global Payments?
So I would vote for, it's still up to everybody. I would vote for Stripe because we always want a backup. And it's an easy way to get things turned on. Because I would build a plan to be live in 2 months with just a light app. And then at least start getting
Okay.
growers tested, so go Stripe. On the long run, we want our own processing, but keep in mind, if our processing fails 1 month, you always want to fail over when you're a big business. So we would run Stripe if we had to. Even in the future, it would be a backup. So keep that in mind with your code base, to think that way.
I don't think that's a bad point. Like, yeah, we should have some sort of failover. So I can look into Stripe integration.
Because I've seen people go out of business because they have all their processing in one place. And believe it or not, in 45, 90 days, they went out of business because of mistakes. Could not get that running again. So you just gotta watch yourself.
Okay, so
Yeah,
next,
let's not go out of business here.
the next thing is like, what do you guys wanna use to build the platform? Like, you can do React, Node, what do you guys wanna use?
Keep in mind,
I mean,
commercial,
probably
robust.
just React and
Oh, sorry.
Node.
Just React and Node?
I mean, because Claude definitely has the most training data on React and Node. And it's like, and also like if something goes wrong, we can look at the code and we're familiar with it.
Well, GitHub is the where you store it, but how do you deploy it to our servers?
Those are two different. Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Don't be afraid to change your mind and go back and change something on this. Don't stay stuck with something that fucking sucks, you guys. Because we always do that, we get stuck.
Okay, so what we need from you and Doug and Sick Mike is like the payment, how much you're gonna charge for this.
Okay. Aren't you gonna is that gonna be part of the survey and stuff too?
Or we are just like a thing. Okay, let's build it in a week kind of thing.
Yep.
Okay. We want some type of service. Hey, actually, I'm already working on service.
I wanna launch this on Friday.
I have data for the survey.
Okay.
I can use.
Okay,
You
you
wanna
hear
do
me?
what do you wanna do Friday? What's
We're gonna launch this on Friday.
the app?
Yeah.
I like this, I like this.
So Friday go live?
We're a startup again. Look at James.
What?
Friday launch.
No, that's his happy face.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, I shit.
That's my usual face.
Okay.
Yeah.
You guys are killing me. I'm kind of disruptive, I'm just hard to check on this.
You know. Okay, so, and also like what we're offering, not just pricing, but like we have kind of two data sets, right? We got a data set that's like the customer's inventory, all the invoices and stuff for like reporting, and then we do have the one for predictions that we can use machine learning against.
So,
Well, see, that's the thing is like, do we want to have something? Do we want to have something on the site where they can go in and run reports that was generated with Claude, or are we gonna just say like, hook up Claude and run it yourself?
Okay, so
So
that's
pre-made
been a big
reports.
concern is like, you got your really smart people at May Interview, they're gonna go crazy in Claude, and then you got all the other users that just need to click a button after they've discovered the report. So if we don't have a place to deploy this innovation, it goes nowhere. It's gotta get deployed into the dummy box, I hate to use those words, but you guys know what I mean? Like, that's not, most users need the button after the innovation.
Coming from support, like having them download, install, or hook.
Fuck that.
Software, it's not gonna go well.
Yeah, like this is an innovation wheel to put standard reports in your system, that would be a moneymaker. I mean, obviously, what's Lauren's gonna do, but we'll get Lauren's to do other things, because
So-
it was never meant to.
I'm trying to picture this. So
Okay.
you come in here and you got one app that's just like, hey, I want to query whatever, produce whatever kind of information against the main data set, the AI data set.
Yeah.
You got another one which is like pre-made stuff that does the same purpose, but it's just, we generated it, like pre-made reports.
Yeah.
And then you've got a third one, which is like the predictive model for forecasting, replenishment.
And now
I'll talk to users.
are we gonna try to build an installer for MCP? Or is that too much?
I think we have to. I mean, I think it's too complicated for a regular user to set that up.
It's not really that complicated though.
I don't,
Well, for you, but.
yeah, oh, yeah.
I think on my side too, that means I have to write some technical guide for them too, right? So whatever language we use here,
Yeah.
they gotta have to understand
It
too.
took me 30 minutes to get mine working.
Yeah, so mine was
Is that good or bad?
That's bad.
I mean, it has to be a button click or else they can't do it.
Yeah.
I almost thought, damn, they can't connect over to us, it has to be local.
That's what?
The MCP has to be local.
Well, no, I mean, that's actually not true because we build an MCP server. We can build an MCP server here, but that would be tied into the apps we're gonna build inside this new platform. So they can only access it through the platform, but we also have an alternative. If they want to run Claude by themselves on the side, then they have to build their own MCP server, right?
Well, yeah, I mean, yeah, you could do it that way, so then it would be installed locally on, I don't know, whatever server they're running.
That's what I'm saying, get away from the local, that's a drag, man.
Charles, you're gonna try to do Stripe and Fortis.
Yeah, it looks like I'll need to like set up an account with Stripe and kind of go from there. You want me to like just take the lead on that basically?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'll start digging into what it'll take to get Stripe into this application.
Who's gonna be charged with building the repository?
You're gonna need like FE.
I guess I can.
I wanna be involved with that.
I would think you would all want to be involved with that, right? That's probably the first thing you guys
Yeah.
want to build.
I want to see what's happening there at the very least.
Yeah, we need to come up with a decision.
All right, bring your computers in here. Whoever's gonna work with Get and the deployment, bring your shit in here. Let's get going.
Shut that down.
I'll just stay on this meeting, I suppose.
Yeah.
You have other calls to be on?
Yeah, I got demo at 9.
Yeah.
Let me look, I think I just got 2.
Okay.
And then I'm open, I'll look real quickly, and I'll ping you. And I'll look for any customer call, because